Best drones for real estate photography. Number 1. DJI Air 2S drones for real estate photography. If you don't want to carry a large quadcopter like the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, there are more compact options, such as the DJI Air 2S. This DJI drone is impressively light at just 1.37 pounds/621 grams. And it has retractable legs that fold into the body of the drone for improved portability. Despite its smaller size, the DJI Air 2S still has an excellent 1-inch CMOS camera sensor that is capable of taking 20MP photos. It also excels at video and can record at a maximum resolution of 5.4K/30p. Plus, the drone can shoot in either RAW or JPEG file modes for greater flexibility when editing. The DJI Air 2S offers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes. It has nice wind resistance. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro drones for real estate photography. Another great budget option is the Ruko F11 Pro, one of the best drones for real estate photography beginners and those who have never used a drone before. It has similar specs and controls to the Holystone HS720E and comes at a similar price. We love the basic kit that you get with this drone, which offers everything you need to start taking real estate photos immediately. The kit includes the drone, a battery, a carry case, a transmitter, a USB cable, a screwdriver, and 4 extra propeller blades. And you'll love the 4K resolution camera and wide-angle lens. The lens features a viewing angle of 120 degrees and is also adjustable, so you can take excellent sweeping shots of properties. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 drones for real estate photography. Our third pick is the DJI Mavic 3, the latest generation of the Mavic drone from DJI. The Mavic 3 style and shape echoes that of the DJI Air 2S, though it is slightly larger and bulkier. Still, it's smaller than the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V.20. If you want a premium drone that also offers portability, this is the best option available. Like the DJI Air 2S, the DJI Mavic 3 has foldable arms that allow for compact storage, and it weighs just 895 grams/1.97 pounds, so it's quite easy to carry to different real estate locations. We like the camera specs for this drone, too. It has a high-quality Hasselblad camera with a 20MP 4/3 sensor, and you can expect outstanding detail. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Holystone drones for real estate photography. If you are just starting out with real estate drone photos, you might prefer a cheaper drone like the Holystone HS720E, which allows you to take quality real estate photos without breaking the bank. The Holystone HS720E is a compact and lightweight drone that has a great flight time of up to 46 minutes. For example, you get stable hovering and a point of interest feature. The latter option lets you set the drone to orbit around a specific point, like a building, for the best aerial perspectives. This drone also has an automatic return home feature. While it may not offer the same image quality as some DJI drones, the Holystone HS720E is still a brilliant choice for real estate photography beginners. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Autel Robotics drones for real estate photography. One of the best drones for real estate photography is the Autel Evo 2 Pro, which features everything you need to excel at real estate photography, including a high-quality camera, excellent controls, and a compact chassis. The Autel Evo 2 Pro packs a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with an aperture range of f/2.8 to f/11. The Sony camera also has an 8x digital zoom and has various enhancements perfect for aerial real estate photography. If you want to take real estate videos, the Autel Evo 2 Pro can also record at resolutions up to 6K. The drone has a maximum flight time of 40 minutes, along with a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer that helps take consistently sharp photos. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.